afternoon, and good evening wherever you find yourself on the globe. This is FlairGH, where we talk about plants, plant medicines, and flowers. Today, we bring you another wonderful herb. What do you know the ginger for? Do you just know it for its culinary benefits? Do you just know it as a spice? Do you know that the ginger can actually be made into tea and you can derive a lot of benefits from it? Do you actually know the benefits that ginger even possesses? Let me walk you the journey of some of the amazing benefits the ginger possesses and why it is useful to have ginger tea from time to time. So if you drink the ginger tea, one of the amazing things you are likely to have is to relieve you of all motion sickness. So if you have motion sickness, normally I know motion sickness will be for people who mostly are feeling dizzy and are having sweat, colds and all that. If you are very uneasy, yes, ginger is good for you. So what you can do is to make ginger tea and have a drink on it. If you drink the ginger tea, you are going to ease or curb the dizziness or the motion sickness that you feel. It also alleviates nausea and morning sickness. If you have any form of morning sickness, or probably you're going through chemo and you have any uneasiness that has to do with nausea, you can make ginger tea one of your recipes and drink it from time to time. Want to manage your sugar pressure, if you want to manage and support your heart health, this is the go-to for you, because what the ginger does is that it will lower your blood sugar, it will likely to prevent heart attacks, it will relieve you of heartburn, it will help burn your cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, it will help lower the cholesterol level, and it will improve your blood circulation. So ginger tea can actually be a recipe that you would love to enjoy at home. If you're on the journey of weight loss, there are a lot of herbs for you. I remember we mentioning the lemongrass. I remember we mentioning the butterfly pea. Now today I'm mentioning ginger as well. So if you want to go on a weight loss journey and you are lazy to hit the gym, please, you can resort to this ginger tea and you will be on your way to your weight loss journey. Have any pain, any inflammation of any sort, you can have this tea. So people suffering from menstrual cramps, which is also a type of a pain, if you drink this tea, your menstrual cramps is going to subside. So if you're getting too close to your menses and you feel that you need this thing to ease your pain, you can straight away start sipping on some ginger tea and it will help the pain. If you're fighting cancer of any sort, you can also drink it, because cancer comes with a lot of pain, a lot of depression, a lot of stuff that actually weighs the body down. So if you have any of these, please resort to ginger tea. It also protects the brain. So a study has shown that it has effect against oxidative stress and inflammations. So if you have any degenerative disease which is actually destroying the functioning of the brain, when you make this ginger tea, it's going to help you a great deal. Here is FlairGH and my name is Nini. I hope to see your comments in the comment section, and in my next episode I'll be showing you how I make my ginger tea at home and enjoy with the family. If you loved what you heard and you loved what you saw, please give us thumbs up and also share with others so they can also come and learn something new. If you also have different ways of treating yourself with the ginger, please put it in the comment section so that we can also learn something from you. We love you all and stay blessed wherever you are. Have a wonderful time out there. Bye-bye.